If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are going a little nuts trying to mesialize or distalize a tooth without moving the entire arch. So why is this happening? Well, let's start with the basics. If you want to move an individual tooth, simply right-click on the tooth. It's going to turn blue when it's selected. Now, when it's selected, you should see some green adjustment arrows. Now, if those green adjustment arrows are not visible, then in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see a little show hide icon. Simply open it up and activate your adjustment arrows. Learn to use your keyboard shortcuts. You don't need to memorize all of them. The ones in the boxes above are good ones to start with. The upper left-hand corner allows you to quickly toggle between views of your arch. The ones on the right you're going to use quite often to quickly and efficiently make changes to your treatment proposal. The first shortcut is one you're probably already familiar with. You've used it several times in other programs. So to select a group of teeth, you simply hit your Shift key, click on the first and last tooth, and you've selected your group. So we finally hit the part where we answer the question, why am I moving my entire arch when I only want to move that group? Well, once you've selected the group using your Shift key, keep holding the Shift key and use your right or left arrows to move that group mesially or distally. So when you see the entire arch moving, when you only want a segment or an individual tooth to move, you need to click the Shift while you're clicking your arrow keys, and that will prevent the whole arch from moving. So the last useful shortcut key that we're going to be discussing today is the control key. The control key allows you to simulate IPR. So in this video here, you can see the segment that we've selected is moving towards the fore and it begins to overlap as if it's simulating IPR. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Email us at sales@bracesondemand.com.